Funny Wonders is a Buxton-based organisation that creates puppetry and multimedia performances, working with groups and individuals of all ages to promote inclusive learning and creative expression in a supportive environment. From the initial idea to the final performance, everything is created from within the organisation.
Funny Wonders began in the late 1990s as a Saturday morning puppet making club around the Agnews dinner table. In 2000, the voluntary organisation was formed and became involved in local events, creating and performing puppet theatre shows and running workshops. We are now Funny Wonders Inc., a community interest company that will continue to develop participation through puppetry and multimedia performance.
In 2007, we went to Sapporo in Japan as part of our international exchange programme with Yamabiko-za Children's Theatre, once again teaming up with Japanese master puppeteer Norisawa. In 2008, the Funny Wonders Youth Group performed their production, The Silk Road, at the Buxton Opera House during the 2008 Buxton Puppet Festival.
We have regular team building and group activities and encourage participation on all levels and with any activity. We believe in the talents, capabilities and skills of young people, and for this reason our youth group is youth-led with skilled adults offering support and guidance.
Well, Funny Wonders means a lot to me because it helped me through a lot of bad times when I was younger. Because I was bullied for quite a few years, and then after that I needed something to really get my confidence up. And Funny Wonders offered that with a trip to Japan, which basically established a lot of bonds with people in Buxton, which I've been really struggling with. And since then, it's continued to help me feel secure and safe in Buxton through puppetry.
It's a place to meet new people and meet friends, and it's also sort of a hobby interest that sort of takes up most of your time, because even when you're not here you're sort of thinking, oh, I wonder what we'll be doing at Funny Wonders.
It's made me happy because if I didn't do this I would have just been sat at home, and had a part in the album Pussycat.
It's amazing now seeing other kids developing in the way that I developed. It gave me confidence, and seeing something like this giving other kids confidence is great.
Who is a Japanese puppeteer who lives in Prague and comes to Buxton every year for 6 years to come and work with us and our young people.
I was born in Hokkaido near Sapporo, and I was grown up in the theatre. We invited young kids from Sapporo, and I planned with Chris to invite them and to put them into the festival. And the reaction was good. So next year, or 2 years later, then
all the Buxton young people went to Sapporo, and so we're now planning a return visit.
Exchange again.
So it's a fantastic opportunity for our young people to learn about another culture and to make friends from across the other side of the world.
Nori is amazing. I don't think we could have asked for anyone better or more bizarre to help us with the Puppet Festival and with Funny Wonders in general.
Hello, my name's BB Alien, and I've got a rubbish puppeteer with me called Marcus Clark. Rubbish he is. This is Sam, and he's a puppet. What kind of puppet are you?
A human.
He's a puppet human.
So have you met any of the other puppets here today, Brie?
Yes, I met a puppet seagull.
Yeah.
I met a puppet human.
Yeah.
That did work very well.
When you're at Funny Wonders, they don't just sort of, people here don't just offer support for Funny Wonders, they also help if you're like stressed about school and stuff as well. So there's lots of support from everyone.